Keeping vehicles on the road and out of the shop starts with the right maintenance strategy. It's all about increasing uptime and driving profitability.
The mobile maintenance space is booming, really from the standpoint of trying to eliminate downtime as much as possible. If you've got a vehicle that needs to go to a garage or a dealership that is off-site, now you're tying up not only the driver taking the broken vehicle, but a shadow vehicle as well. And now that vehicle could be tied up for parts delay, time in the bay, whatever it might be. So anything related to preventative maintenance and everything else is really looking at focusing on the uptime of that vehicle. And then what really separates Kooner apart is I'd love to say that we're big enough to be more than dangerous, but we're also small enough to still be a little crazy and nimble. So we're actually speaking to some fleets now that we're really customizing solutions for them specifically. So we've got one hauler that is looking for help with their trailers as they're picking up spring water at a location. They can't do anything on site because they don't want anything to potentially contaminate their customer's spring water source. So we're actually leveraging another potential customer to use their site to do the inspections and the repairs to keep the spring water hauler moving without possibly contaminating the source of the water.